In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add shadow to elements in Canva. So first of all, let's start with adding elements on our project. So for that, I need to go to elements from the left panel. Under it, I wanna add a plus icon element, so I can find it in shapes. So let me just add it here, and now I want to increase its size. So let me just put it like this. And now to change its color, I need to select this element, go to the top and select color. Now let's just pick this red one. And now if I select my element and go to edit, you can see there is no such option as adding shadow to it. So to add shadow, select your element, then go to the top right and click on share. Now select download and make sure to select PNG as your file type and check mark this option of transparent background. But this feature requires Canva Pro. Currently I don't have Canva Pro, that's why I'm gonna show you free method. But if you do have Canva Pro, then just check mark this transparent background option and download your element. Now I have downloaded my element on my device. I just need to open that file here and drag and drop your element on your Canva project like this. Now we just need to delete our old element from our canvas, and now you can see this is the new one. You can see the corners are not selected properly. That's because I don't have Canva Pro and the background is not removed. That's why we need to manually remove the background of this element. For that, all we need to do is go to the apps from the left panel. Under it, we need to search for background eraser tool and then select this tool, which is background eraser. After that, we need to click on choose file and select the element which you want to remove the background of. So I want to remove background of this element. I need to select it, then click on open, and now click on remove background, and it will start removing the background of your element. Remember that this process is not required for the Canva Pro users because the background will be automatically removed when you checkmark the transparent background option while downloading your image. This is only for the free users because they haven't removed their background yet. And now our new element has now been placed on our canvas. You can see this is the element. Now we need to remove this one. Now we are on the same step of the paid users. Now we just need to select our element, then go to edit, and under it we'll see an option of shadows. We need to select it. After that, it will open this panel on the left side, and from here you can choose any shadow you want. So let's go with this one, which is drop shadow. And now from here you can choose the blur amount, angle and all. So you can choose everything according to your need. So that's how you can add shadows to your element in Canva. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.